Back in 2013, a man named Phil, pulling from Mission, Oregon, began hearing strange, unsettling sounds outside his home late at night.
I mean, that almost sounds like laughter.
Concerned, he followed the noises to a forest just a short walk from his house. Then, this happened.
I think that was a gunshot. Somebody just shot over into the woods.
I mean, that almost sounds like laughter. Concerned, he followed the noises to a forest just a short walk from his house. Then this happened. I think that was a gunshot. So then just shot over another wood.
Is whatever was out there still there, even after that night? Is whatever was out there still there, even after that night?
The forest suddenly fell silent, almost as though something unseen had grown tired of waiting. Months after that night, others online began to report hearing the same strange noises. Some compared the sound to monkeys, but no such animals live in the area. The mystery remains unsolved, leaving people to wonder.
Aneh, aneh. Tiba-tiba mobil kesini nih. Nggak masuk di akal gue nih. Sini jalan nggak bisa masuk mobil. Sini nggak bisa masuk, banyak pohonan. Tanggal 5 bulan 4. Tiba-tiba mobil nih masuk ke hutan ini kita nih. Aduh. Tuh. Tahu nih hutan mana ini. Semalam mah gede jalan mah. Masa tiba-tiba kesini nih mobil nih.
A truck.
Could whatever made those sounds still be out there? On his way home after spending the day in the woods, a driver was forced to stop for an unexpected reason. A giant bear slowly making its way across the road. What startled people most was its sheer size. How could a bear living in the forests of Indonesia grow to be so enormous? In another bizarre case, a traveler came across a truck wedged in a spot that seemed almost impossible. There were no visible tire tracks, and the space appeared far too narrow for a vehicle to have reached. Some speculated the driver may have been tired or intoxicated, while others whispered about something far stranger at play. Whatever the explanation, the scene left witnesses unsettled.